Hi. This course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Tevis is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. You're watching video 20 that discusses prepositions. You may visit our YouTube channel to view other videos. A preposition is used to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships. It links a noun or a pronoun to another word in the sentence to show the relationship between the two words. The following sentences show the relationship between the ball and the box. The red words are prepositions. 1. The ball is in the box. This tells us that the ball is inside the box. 2. The ball is on the box. This tells us that the ball is on top of the box. 3. The ball is beside the box. The ball is next to the box. 4. The ball is in front of the box. 5. The ball is behind the box. 6. The ball is near the box. 7. The ball is under the box. 8. The ball is inside the box. 9. The ball was thrown into the box. Change of place. From outside to inside. 10. The ball is from the box. Change of place. From inside to outside. As you notice in the above sentences, the position of the ball is determined by the preposition being used. The object of a preposition is always a noun or pronoun. If the object is a pronoun, it must be in the objective case. Examples: please give this to her. Everybody joined the contest, except him. They took it from me. Commonly used prepositions. Here are some of the commonly used prepositions. Simple prepositions: aboard, about, above, behind, beneath, despite, except, like, without. Compound prepositions: according to, in case of, prior to, because of, owing to, in place of, aside from, back of, with regard to.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.